Welcome to ktastro.com. You are watching Rahu Ketu transit predictions for Mesa Rasi Aries Moon sign. Rahu Ketu transit is happening on August 20, 2017 as per KP Panchangam. Rahu will be moving from your 5th house to 4th house while Ketu from 11th house to 10th house. The Rahu Ketu transit is not looking good for you. The intensity will be more if you are running Rahu or Ketu Mahadasa. The good news is Jupiter will be in good position for about 9 months in the current Rahu transit. This can reduce the intensity of the problems and it can provide good growth. You will experience positive results between November 2017 and October 2018. The rest of the period is going to be a testing period. I have divided the effects of Rahu Ketu transit by 5 phases. The first phase is between August 20, 2017 and December 23, 2017. This can give you mixed results. The score will be 50 out of 100. The key events during this phase is Guru Bhagavan will move on to your favorable 7th house on September 11, 2017. Shani Bhagavan will move on to your 9th house of Bhagyasthanam by October 25, 2017. Both changes are looking very positive for you. The start of this phase will be more challenging, but you will find good relief by December 2017. This is the time for you to digest the life events happening on your life and get ready to enter onto new phase of life. The second phase is between December 23, 2017 and April 28, 2018. This is a very good time for you. The score will be 70 out of 100. The intensity of the malefic effects of Rahu can be felt more during this period, especially for people running Rahu Mahadasa. But Jupiter and Saturn are in very good position during this time. You will come out of physical ailments and get sound health during this period. If you are separated from your spouse, it is a good time to join and lead life together. It is going to be an excellent time for working professional. You will start moving up on your career with promotion, salary hikes, even new job offer. Business people will have amazing recovery. Cash flow will be more. It is a good time to buy a new home. If you are a day trader and experienced big losses in the past years, then you need to check natal chart for trading in this period. The third phase is between April 28, 2018 and September 1, 2018. This phase can give you more family problems. The score will be 60 out of 100. You need to take care of your parents' health well during this period. Medical expenses will be more. You may experience minor problems with your spouse and family members, but this will be short-lived for a couple of months. You can move forward with conducting Subhakarya functions after July 15, 2018. Even though your work pressure will be more, you will get enough rewards for the hard work you put in. Business people will be busy but can achieve good results during this phase. You will be under testing period on finance for a couple of months. You may have to provide more supporting documents for bank loans. You can go through stock trading with calculated risk. Short-term speculator need to check their natal chart for further support. The fourth phase is between September 1, 2018 and January 4, 2019. This phase can give you great success and happiness. The score will be 80 out of 100. There will not be any health problems and you will be happy on your relationship with your spouse and family members. You will be happy in conducting Subhakarya functions during this phase. You will gain good name and fame in the society. Nothing to be surprised if you get promoted to next level with salary hikes. Your desired relocation can happen now. Business people will be happy in booking good profits after few years. Banking and legal sector is looking good for you. Your bank loans to buy home will get approved with less documentation. If you are into stock market, it is a good idea to reduce your bets since Jupiter is going against you from October 11, 2018. The fifth phase is between January 4, 2019 and March 9, 2019. This is going to be a severe testing period for you. The score will be 30 out of 100. The intensity of the malefic Jupiter on 8th house will produce more bitter experience during this phase. Things may not go well on anything you do. Your emotional health will get affected with mental stress and tension. You may have conflicts and serious fights with your spouse. If you are running weak Mahadasa, this period can create temporary separation as well. If you are not careful, you may go through humiliation in front of your family and relatives. Your work pressure and tension will shoot up. You will feel bad with increasing office politics. Business people need to be careful by adding spouse name onto business to mitigate some risk. If you are running weak Mahadasa, you will have sudden debacle and you may be on the road to file bankruptcy. It is not a good time for stock trading and investments. Remedies: avoid taking non-veg food on Saturdays and Thursdays. Visit Kalahasti temple or any other Rahu or Kedu Sthalam. Recite Sudarshana Mahamantra to get protection from enemies. Help older people and students. Do meditation and prayers as much as possible. You can visit my website ktastro.com for more detailed predictions. You can follow me through Facebook, YouTube or Twitter. You can contact me through email or phone for personalized consultation. Thank you.